So today we will continue our poem, The Legend of Northland. What is the meaning of legend?
Popular, great
Story that
popularity.
may be true,
A story that may be for the popular.
maybe or may not be true.
Aditya Raj, tell the meaning of Aditya Raj.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
मैम व्हाट
Wait, now you can hear me? Hello? Hello?
yes ma'am, now we can hear you.
Aditya Raj?
Yes.
Aditya Raj, what is the meaning of legend? Hello?
Yes ma'am.
What is the meaning of legend?
Ma'am, very popular in this context.
ऐसा तो नहीं बताए थे? Did I say legend means popular? No.
Ma'am, the poem, the story.
Soumya Singh. Soumya Singh. Soumya Singh. Tell me the meaning of legend, Soumya Singh.
Ma'am, in this context.
Yes, in this context. Soumya. I can see your name. Then why you are not answering? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a very
मैम a traditional story.
Soumya से
Ma'am,
चलो. Soumya करो. Answer. Soumya.
Ma'am, can I?
No, I first. The person whom I.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, who?
Ma'am Aditya.
Okay, Aditya, answer. What is the meaning of legend?
Ma'am, a traditional story sometimes popularly regarded as historical but not authentical.
Okay, yes, it is a traditional story which is handed over from generation to generation. We heard the story from our parents, grandparents, then we will tell this story to the future generation, and the story is historical. It may or may not be true. So that is a legend. Then internet connection so can you hear me, all of you?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we
What
can
is
hear
the
you.
meaning of preaching? Preaching.
Ma'am, उपदेश देना.
उपदेश देना.
Speech on
English
some
meaning.
religious subject.
Supriya, answer.
उपदेश
Supriya,
देना.
not everyone
Speech.
don't answer in chorus. Supriya, answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
speech on
the
some
deliver of-
religious subject.
Ma'am,
Give
religious
on
speech.
Religious speech. Give speech on some religious subject. Nishu Nayan, what is the meaning of hearth? Nishu Nayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the meaning of
Give
hearth?
a religious talk to a group.
I'm asking the meaning of hearth, hearth, H-E-A-R-T-H. Nishu Nayan, can you hear me? I'm asking the meaning of hearth.
Yes.
The woman was baking cake at the hearth. I'm asking the meaning of hearth.
Ma'am, the place where the fire, ma'am,
Ma'am, fireplace in
ma'am,
the
the
house.
fireplace in the house.
Fireplace. Legend means traditional story. May or may not be true.
Yes, ma'am.
Legend is a traditional story. Then what do you mean by harness? Harness means?
To control the animal.
The state
Yes,
of
to
trap.
control. To control. Harness also means the strap, but here in this context, harness is used as a verb or a noun.
Ma'am, stone.
Ma'am, to capture.
To control.
To control. But I'm asking you, in this sentence, is harness used as a verb or a noun? When they harness the swift deer.
Verb.
As a verb.
Yes, as a verb. The people are
As a verb.
harnessing. Then what is a sledge?
Vehicle.
Vehicle.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sledge.
vehicle.
Sledge. Vehicle which moves on ice. Is a special kind of vehicle which moves on ice. No other vehicle can move on ice. So, are we? Yes, harness. Swift. Swift means what? Swift.
Fast.
Ma'am, swift, ma'am,
moving.
ma'am, fast.
Swift means
Ma'am, fast. Ma'am,
yes.
तीव्र.
Swift. Swift means
Ma'am,
fast.
fast.
To the sledges. So the reindeer moves very fast. The reindeer moves very fast. And how do the... So who are the two main characters of the story? Who will tell me?
Saint Peter's
Okay.
and Old Lady.
And the old lady.
Okay, the two main characters of the story are the old woman and Saint Peter. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
The two main there's a problem in my device, so I will, if you have your books, you can open it in front of you. The screen is not moving. Okay. Acha. Chalo. So there are two main characters in this poem. One is Saint Peter and one is the lady. Can you use some adjectives for this lady? How can you describe this
greedy.
lady? Advit answer.
Ma'am,
Advit.
greedy.
Ma'am, she is very greedy.
Stingy, miser.
Ma'am, stingy.
Yes, miser. It means
Ma'am,
the
greedy.
same. Greedy. Yes.
Ma'am, greedy.
Shellfish.
Ma'am, greedy.
Yes, selfish.
Selfish.
Greedy, selfish. She cannot even give a little piece of cake to the. So what are the children compared to in this poem? The children living in Northland. Wait, I will point out.
Bear cubs.
Pragya answer.
Ma'am, bear's cubs.
The children are compared to bear's cubs. Why are they compared to bear's cubs?
Because of their furry clothes.
Because they wear
Furry
furry clothes.
Because they wear funny and furry clothes. That is why they are compared to the bear's cubs. Okay. So, where did Saint Peter stop one day? We'll answer. Aditya Raj, answer karo. Aditya Raj,
Ma'am, what is the question?
where did Saint Peter stop one day?
Ma'am, in the cottage of the lady.
In the cottage of the old lady.
At the cottage of the old lady. Okay, Shruti, answer. What did Saint Peter tell the old lady? Shruti, can you hear me? Hello, Shruti. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me, all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. Shruti is there in the participant list. Why you are not answering? What did Saint Peter tell the old lady?
Ma'am, can I?
Aditya. Why the same
Yes,
person? Any other student? Aditya,
Ma'am,
Advait,
can I?
Pragya answers many questions. Others, what about others?
Can
Others
I?
also you make an attempt. अनुज भी तो करता ही है, जो लोग नहीं करते हैं, आई वॉन्ट देम टू आंसर. अनिकेत, चलो अनिकेत. अनिकेत, कैन यू हियर मी? Aniket, why only a few? Bhavya answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya,
Ma'am, may I
Aniket?
answer?
Then can I answer?
No.
Give him a single
Ma'am,
Bhavya,
may I?
Bhavya, why
To
only
give him
few
a single
students
piece.
will answer?
and to give him a single piece of
Ma'am, what
Bhavya,
is the
can you
question?
hear me? Hello.
Ma'am, what is the question?
The question
ma'am.
is, what did Saint
Yes,
Peter
ma'am.
ask the old lady?
The same.
Bhavya,
To give him a single
Ma'am,
piece
can
of
I?
cake. Ma'am,
who?
to give him single piece of
Cake.
cake.
To give
Ma'am, the Saint
him
Peter is
cake.
very hungry, so he tell the lady to give him
He
a
asked for
cake.
a cake.
एक आंसर करा तो दूसरा मत इंटरप्ट करो. चलो एक कोई. ओके, आदित्य राज आंसर. कम ऑन.
Ma'am, Saint Peter was very hungry, so he told the old lady to make him a cake. Make
Okay,
her
very good.
for a small cake.
So the Saint Peter was very hungry, so he told the old lady to bake a cake for him, to give him some food. And what did the old lady do then?
He
Will
made the
answer.
She made a very small cake.
he made a very small cake like wafers.
पहले वेफर के तरह थोड़ी बनाई, तीसरी बार वो वेफर के तरह केक बनाई. First she made a small cake, then she thought that
then
this is a big
smaller.
one. She thought this is a big one. Then she made a smaller cake. But when she was making that second smaller cake, again she thought that this is also a big one. Okay, tell me the meaning of needed.
Ma'am, gundna. And we.
Ma'am, dough.
No. And we
हम वुलन क्लोथ्स को नेम नहीं
मैम
करते हैं
गूंदना होता है मैम, दो को जो हम लोग गूंदते हैं ना उसको.
मैम दो को मैम आटा गूंथते हैं मैम.
Make dough.
Bake.
Make dough using water and this is the English meaning.
And
The English meaning is make dough using water and flour. Dough is the wet form of the as so needed means make dough using water and flour. You have to it's good that you know the Hindi meaning, but you should know to write the English meanings also. And still a smaller one, but it looked when she turned it over as large as the first had done. Second cake also looked large to the lady. Then she just took a tiny, extremely small, very small. Then she took a very small piece of dough. And then she made a cake which was as thin as a wafer. But then also she could not give it as and baked it as thin as a wafer, extremely thin cake like wafer she baked, but she couldn't part. Part means here part means what did I tell yesterday?
Separate.
and separate.
Yes, here in this context part means separate. लेकिन वो उस छोटे से केक को भी अपने से अलग नहीं कर पाई. Wafer, the wafer cake also she couldn't part with. For she said, my cakes that seem too small when I eat them myself are yet too large to give away. So she put them on the shelf. So a quick recap for those who were not present yesterday. In online classes, there are network issues also. So I will just tell a brief summary. So this poem is a ballad. Ballad means a poem in the form of a story. And in this, two main characters are there. One is Saint Peter and one is an old woman. And this story takes place in Northland, very cold place. There, the days are smaller, nights are longer. The children, they look like bear's cubs. The story takes place in Northland, a cold place where the days are short and nights are long, where the people use the sledge which is pulled by the reindeers, where the children look like small cubs, bear cubs, uh, and the story takes place there. One day, one day Saint Peter, who had preached all day, was hungry. He hadn't eaten anything, and he stopped at the cottage of an old woman. Saint Peter stopped at the cottage of the old woman. He was very hungry. He hadn't eaten anything for the whole day, so he asked the woman to give a piece of cake. So the woman started baking the cake, but when she was baking the cake, she thought that the cake is big, I should bake a smaller cake. So she started baking another smaller cake. लेकिन जब वो केक बेक कर रही थी तो उसको लगा कि ये केक भी बड़ा है, तो उसने एक और छोटा सा केक बनाना स्टार्ट किया. But when she was baking this second cake, this also looked big to her, so she started baking the third cake. और ये तीसरा केक जो है एकदम पतला बनाया, वेफर. ये सब हो गया था. मैंने बोला ना, जो कल नहीं अटेंड किए उनके लिए मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं कि नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. तो फिर वो तीसरा भी वेफर के तरह पतला केक उसने बेक किया. और Saint Peter was hungry. He got extremely angry, and in his anger he cursed the old woman. He said that you are very selfish, you don't deserve to remain in human form. Dwell means what? Dwell, I told you yesterday the meaning of dwell. What is the meaning of dwell?
रहना,
Live.
live.
So Saint Peter said that you don't deserve to live as a human being. Human being shouldn't be so selfish, and a selfish human being should not get any food and shelter. तुम्हें हक नहीं है कि तुम food और shelter use करो इस धरती पे. Both food and shelter. You don't deserve to get food and shelter and fire. You don't deserve food, you don't deserve shelter, and you don't deserve fire to keep you warm. Now you shall build as birds do and shall get your scanty food. He said that I will make you a bird. And birds have to work very hard to get their food. Human beings don't have to work so hard, but birds, they have to work very, very hard. You shall build as birds do and shall get your scanty food. Scanty means
Insufficient.
बहुत थोड़ा.
बहुत
scanty,
थोड़ा.
insufficient.
मैम less.
Scanty is the opposite of abundance. Insufficient, less. So she said that he said that I will make you a bird so that you have to work very hard to get your food, and I will make you a woodpecker. He made him a woodpecker by boring and boring. And as the name suggests, how does the woodpecker get its food? It boring means make hole in something. यहाँ boring, one boring means very monotonous, dull. But in this context, boring means make hole. So have you seen a woodpecker? वो पूरे दिन लकड़ी को खोद खोद के छेद बनाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, woodpecker, as the name suggests, wood pecker, वो पूरे दिन wood को ही peck करते रहता है, खोद खोद के खट 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 पूरा he makes holes in the wood, and all day in the hard dry wood. And the woodpecker has to work very hard because making hole in hard dry wood is very difficult. It's very tedious task, hard work. And then she went up through the chimney. Now what happened? The woman became a bird. What happened? The woman, the old woman, was changed to a bird.
Bird.
Was changed to a But because of the curse, because of the curse of Saint Peter, Saint Peter cursed the selfish, greedy, stingy miser woman who could not even give one piece of cake to a hungry man. Such a woman does not deserve. तो सेंट पीटर ने कहा कि तुम लायक नहीं हो कि तुम एक ह्यूमन बीइंग रहो, तुम डिजर्व नहीं करती हो फूड, शेल्टर और फायर. So he changed her into a woodpecker, because the woodpecker has to work very hard even to get a little amount of food, scanty food. And the woodpecker, the whole day he keeps on making holes in the dry hard wood. And when this woman, she was transformed into a bird, what happened? She went through the chimney. अब bird हो गई तो वो एकदम साइज छोटा हो गया, वो चिमनी से भी पास हो सकती थी. Then she went up through the chimney, never speaking a word. She did not speak a word because she knows that she is getting punishment for her sins only. Sin. Sin, you know what is the meaning of sin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bad
हम
deed.
इसके पहले
Yes, bad deeds, बुरे काम,
bad deed.
immoral deeds, immoral, अनैतिक काम. So she knew that she was getting punishment for her selfishness, for her greed, for her miser nature. So she did not speak a word, and out of the top flew a woodpecker. And from the who came out from the chimney? A woodpecker came, for she was changed to a bird. Saint Peter angrily cursed the old lady who refused to give even a small piece of cake to a hungry guest. She had a scarlet cap on her head. Scarlet means, you know, I told you.
Deep red. Deep red.
Yes, very
Deep
good.
I'm
red.
deep red.
Deep red color. This word we had come across in Happy Prince, I think.
Happy
Scarlet.
Prince.
Happy
Deep
Prince.
red. Deep red. So if you see the woodpecker, it has a deep red cap on her head. She had a scarlet cap on her head because she was transformed to a woodpecker. Woodpeckers have deep red cap on their head, and that was left the same. She had a scarlet cap on her head. When this woman was baking the cake, she also had a scarlet cap on her head. Because Northland is a cold place, the whole day people wear the caps. So this old lady, when she was baking the cakes, she was wearing the scarlet cap. And the woodpecker also has a scarlet cap. So we know the origin, why the woodpecker has a scarlet cap. Because the woman who was changed to a woodpecker also was wearing a scarlet cap. That is why woodpeckers have scarlet cap. And that was left the same, but all the rest of her clothes were burned. The Saint Peter left the cap. What about the rest of the clothes? That was burned, black as coal in the flame. Which figure of speech? Black as coal?
And personification.
No, black as coal. As,
And simile.
like as.
I'm simile.
Simile.
Like an as, I told it is simile. Black as coal in the flame. And every country schoolboy, country means rural area. Every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood. Where do you see the woodpeckers? Of course, you don't see it in the urban areas. Urban areas, the birds are lessening in number, decreasing. They're dying. Sometimes they get stuck to the wires and all, and they don't get food also. In village area, they get food. But here, where will they get food? So, and every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood. Woods here means what? Wood here means forest.
Forest and tree.
In the forest. where she lives in the trees till this very day. Even today you find woodpeckers in the rural areas. If you go to rural areas, if you go to forest areas, you will find the woodpecker. Even today the woodpeckers exist. And what does the woodpecker do the whole day? Keeps on making holes for food. The woodpecker keeps on making holes on the dry wood for their food. So already I told you a ballad is a song narrating a story in short stanzas. This was a poem, but here we read a story. So what is the moral of the story? कौन बताएगा moral? श्रुति बताओ, what is the moral?
लालच करना बुरी बात है.
लालच बुरी बला है. Greed is great evil. Huh? Greed is great evil. As you sow, so shall you reap. Have you heard of this proverb?
Yes, ma'am.
As you sow, so shall you reap. Have you heard of this proverb?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं सुने. Supriya,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
heard. Okay, you tell what does it mean?
मैम जैसा हम लोग करेंगे वैसा ही हम लोग फल पाएंगे.
You know the meaning of sow. The farmer sows the seeds in the field. Sow means what?
बोना
बोना. और reap
बोना.
मतलब हम लोग harvest को reap करते हैं ना,
मैम निकालना मैम.
काटना. वो जब
काटना.
Yes, मैम.
कॉर्न जब राइप हो जाता है तो उसको काटते हैं. That you call the reaping of the harvest. When
Harvest. Yes,
the
ma'am.
grains are ready, then you cut them. That is the reaping. तो जैसा बोएंगे हम वैसा पाएंगे. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, ये सुने हो ना? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो as you sow, so shall you reap means the same. जैसा बोओगे वैसा पाओगे, वो भी है. और जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, इसका हम लोग वो मीनिंग भी बोल सकते हैं. So why did the old lady get punishment? Because
Because of her bad.
because of
Because of
what she
greed.
did. She did a evil deed. Human being का फर्ज है. It is the duty of every human being to help others in need. Those who are in need, we should help them. But this lady, she refused to help the old saint. Legend, old traditional story. Saint Peter, an apostle of Christ. मतलब Christ के messenger, saint, holy person, provoke, make angry. गुस्सा को भड़काना. Which country or countries do you think the Northland refer to?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay.
Antarctic region.
Antarctic. Ma'am, Greenland.
The regions in the extreme north, near the North Pole.
Ma'am, Greenland, Alaska.
Greenland, Alaska, yes.
Pole
Okay.
region and polar regions, it is Northland, Norway, Eastern.
Polar regions, yes. Polar regions, Greenland, Northland. What did Saint Peter ask the old lady for? We already discussed, to give him a piece of cake. What was
Yes,
the
ma'am.
lady's reaction? What was the lady's reaction? You have to, this will be a bit lengthy. She started baking the cake, but she thought it was big, and she baked the second cake. She thought this was also big. Then she baked a third cake as thin as a wafer, but refused to give this thin cake also to the saint. So you have to write the whole thing. What was the lady's reaction? How did he punish her? Who will answer?
He caused
Supriya, answer. Supriya?
Ma'am,
Don't answer in chorus, not audible. Supriya, can you answer?
He called her.
Then he cursed him
Yes, ma'am.
and made her a
Interrupt in
woodpecker.
Aditya, don't
He
interrupt.
called
Let's,
her and
he cursed her and changed her.
he called her and made
Yes.
her woodpecker.
Yes, Supriya, correct. He cursed her and changed her to a woodpecker. How does the woodpecker get her food?
Can I?
Answer.
By
आदित्य
boring
राज
of
आदित्य बहुत
by
आंसर
boring the
किया और दूसरे का अनुज शरण आंसर अनुज
The woodpecker gets his food by boring in wood.
yes by boring in the hard dry wood by boring in the hard dry wood. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous? Ungenerous means generous means a
मैम
person.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
देखते हैं
मैम आ रही है.
आ रही है.
Yes ma'am.
Aditya Raj, you check your network. Aditya Raj, you check your network.
मैम अब आ रही है मैम पहले नहीं आ
आ
रही.
रही है. अच्छा. तो ये this is a personal question. You have to think for yourself and you have to write. Do you think that the old lady would have been so unkind if she had known who Saint Peter really was? अगर वो जानती कि वो क्राइस्ट के मैसेंजर हैं, इतने होली पर्सन, तो क्या वो ऐसा करती?
No, ma'am. I don't
नो
think
मैम नहीं करती.
Then
No,
she
ma'am.
wouldn't. Then she wouldn't
Ma'am,
have
she
taken
would-
the risk. She probably thought that he's an ordinary person. We treat people differently according to their position, their status, isn't it? ऐसा होता है.
Yes ma'am.
So, if she had known that he was such a great personality, a saint, a messenger of God, then she wouldn't have risked. She wouldn't have been so unkind. She would have, what would she have done then? She would have given,
She would have invited him to his house and offered her good food.
yes, very good. She would have invited her to,
Him?
she would have, sorry,
House.
she would have invited him to her house and offered him food.
Her
Is this a true story?
no,
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 it is
ma'am.
an imaginary story.
but it has moral.
It has a message, it has a moral. Which part of the poem do you feel
Ma'am,
is
third stanza.
third stanza? Yes, third stanza is very important because it warns you that don't be selfish. If you are selfish,
Yes ma'am.
you will get punishment. Which part of the third stanza is the most important?
Very important.
Because this stanza contains the message and the moral of the poem. This stanza is most important because it contains the message and the moral of the poem. What is a legend? We already discussed. Why is this
Yes,
poem
ma'am.
called a legend? Because it is
Because
a
tells it tells an old story of Saint
Well,
Peter,
because-
which has
yes,
moral,
because it tells
and then one
us a
should not.
story, and this story has been popular in legend for many generations. Legends का एक ये भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है कि वो generations to generations जो है आगे बढ़ते रहता है. Write a story, write the story of a legend. So now this you have studied, it is a poem. Now you have to transform this poem to a story. This you can do it. 10 sentences. Once,
Yes, ma'am.
once there lived an old lady in Northland, which is a cold place. In Northland, the people use reindeers to pull the sleigh, like that. 10 sentences. Let's look at the words. snows, clothes, true, you, blow. So we know that snows rhymes with clothes. True rhymes. Find more such rhyming words. It's very easy.
Form,
Yes,
bomb,
ma'am.
food, wood. Yes, ma'am.
Earth.
Legend.
Earth,
Done
earth.
one. Lay away.
Done well. Lay away.
Done
Another flat
Same
that.
and flame. Same flame.
Faint,
Okay.
faint, faint.
Now, okay.
Done.
Now you have to go to the library and find legends in your own language. अपने भी language में बहुत सारे traditional story हैं जो हम लोग सुनते आए हैं. The farmer and
Have a nice day,
the
ma'am.
goose. Farmer and the goose story, you know. The farmer who
Ma'am,
had
जो
a goose who laid golden
Yes,
eggs.
ma'am. Yes.
तो
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
एक legend है. तो legend, any false story which gives us a message and which we have
Abraham and
heard
the
from
lion.
our parents, our grandparents. That is a legend. Okay, so
Rabbit
your
and lion.
homework is to do the question answers. Bye, all of you. Our class ends here.
Have a nice day,
And
ma'am.
tomorrow
Thank
I'm
you,
going
Have a
to
nice day,
start
ma'am.
a new.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, have a nice day, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. And tomorrow I will start a new chapter in grammar. You tell your friends not to miss classes. It's very important. Direct and indirect speech.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell your
Tomorrow.
convey to your friends that
Ma'am, tomorrow
important.
topic is direct and indirect speech.
Yes, yes. I will start that. That is a lengthy topic. It will take many classes. Okay. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
अब भी क्या लेना अटेंडेंस